Hello friends, I'm Gnome, and yep, at last Ubuntu 26.04 has been released in the beta channel, and today we're going to deep dive into it. So yep, let's begin. Alright then, so here we are on my desktop. This is Manjaro, and yep, it looks like this right now. And I know it looks damn gorgeous, like really gorgeous. So yep, I finally customized it, and a customization video will be soon on the channel. It's already made. But right now, let's just, open Ubuntu 26.04. So this is the virtual machine, and now there it begins. And yep, there is a new boot animation. Well, bootloader loop, that circle animation, it's new. Let's see. And there it's beginning. There it is, you see. This is the new boot animation logo, whatever. And it's pretty okay. Like, yeah, I did like the usual Ubuntu logo and boot animation, but this looks pretty okay too, in my opinion. It's not bad, but it's not that good either. That's my take. And here we are on the Ubuntu setup. So what are we gonna do? Let's see. Nope. Next. Skip. I'd like to try Ubuntu. Close. So first, let's fix the resolution. Okay, display settings. Resolution 1080p 16:9. Apply. Keep changes. So yep, this is how it looks like. Oh, let me just fix these two. So this is how it looks like. To be honest, it's not bad at all. Like, it looks pretty good in my opinion. Yep, it's not bad. Now I get it how, the boot animation was like that. Looks like this is the new logo of the new version. And the name of it is Resolute Raccoon. Not bad. So yep, this is it. Ubuntu. And now let's start with what is new in this update. First thing, as you can see, the wallpaper. To be honest, it's not bad at all. Like, yeah, it looks good. So first, I would like to show you what is new in this update. First, as you can see, Gnome 50. Let me just show you in the settings. System, about. There it is. It's the latest version of Gnome 50 and the latest of the greatest, Linux Kernel 7. Now, this is the perfect combination of the Linux world right now, which you can get your hands on. And because of them, you get better, well, how can I say it? Way better CPU and GPU drivers. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will get NVIDIA proprietary 590 driver, which works flawlessly, and same goes for the AMD one. And besides that, talking about Ubuntu, so yep, there are a few significant changes. Starting with, they've upgraded their app, well, replaced an app. First, we used to have the default GNOME system monitor. Now, Ubuntu has replaced it with resources. And to be honest, it is way better than the others. It allows us to see applications, background processes properly and distincts them, unlike system resources. And I really like these graphs on the left, sidebar. And you can easily change the preference as well as you like. And yep, it gives more than enough, data or whatever without any problem. And then talking about the other application which has been replaced is Showtime, the video player. Now you have Showtime as a default video player on Ubuntu, and yeah, it looks good. Like, talking about aesthetics, it looks really good. But talking about functionality, it's just the same. And if I were to tell you what is new in GNOME 50, then you can easily see that in display settings. If you have a supported display, you can get variable refresh rate at last perfectly supported by GNOME. Since I don't, well, I actually do. Let's just try if I can get VRR. This is Manjaro and I don't have variable refresh rate. Okay, I have, but I'm not gonna enable it right now. I'll test that later. Okay, I do have variable refresh rate. Right now it's Manjaro, the latest version with GNOME 50. So yeah, nice. But on here, we don't have proper GPU drivers as well, since it's a virtual machine, so it's kind of okay. And now the next update, I'd like you to imagine or guess, well, just imagine what can be the next update. At last, the dock, this dock here, the panel, is not translucent or transparent at all. It's a solid brick. Let me just show you. So let's go to display settings first, go to appearance, and no, Ubuntu desktop, and make it a dock. I'd like this on bottom of my window. It should be auto hide. All right. Now, as you can see, it's pure solid. It's not transparent anymore. Not here, not there. While if you see here, this one is transparent. It's the default GNOME, but Even earlier, Ubuntu did not have, a solid one, but now you do. And now talking about the other updates, well, you can easily search for newer applications and snaps directly from the search bar. For example, Telegram. Okay, I search Telegram. It's gonna search in the software store or Ubuntu store and give me the whatever, But looks like it's disabled by default in the beta channel. And next one is, the next one is actually this new folder icons in the default Yahoo theme of Ubuntu. To be honest, I liked the previous ones, but yeah, it's not bad either. Like, you know, a, a solid dock and then kind of bold and vectorish, cartoonish folder icons. It all looks pretty good. So yeah, not bad at all. Let's just, well, I'd like to first fix the Ubuntu desktop. Like, I like the way it looks, the default font, to be honest. Panel mode, I'd like that to be on the left of it. There you go. Nice. And now let's check some new wallpapers. You have this one. Nice, like actual nice. First, I'd like to just fix the icons. I don't want icons, desktop icons. I don't want them. But still, looks like I cannot disable them. Sad. But leaving that. Well, can I? Let me just move to trash. Yep. Okay, it's better now. Okay, this one looks darn good, like actually good. Let's check the other wallpaper. All right, we're talking. Not bad. Nice. Let's try this one. And then we have the default raccoon ones. We have a coffee one. Okay. The default raccoon, we've already seen it. To be honest, this new wallpaper is the best. This one right here. This is gonna go to my thumbnail. And yep, I believe I've covered everything. Like, yes, that was it. Ubuntu 26.04. And to be honest, it's a significant update in my opinion. Well, I forgot one thing, the security center. You see, in Ubuntu Pro, in this, security center includes Ubuntu Pro, app permissions, and disk encryptions. And leaving that, we have normal security for, from Gnome. For example, telemetries, you have the ability to customize it the way you want. Connectivity, there you go. What I was actually looking for was, like actual proper security center with TPMs and bootloader security and all that stuff, which you see on normal ones. Like for example, this one, this is pure vanilla GNOME. And here, if I go to my security, you see, device security, this is what I was searching for. Secure boot, TPM, and all the other stuff. While here, I could not find that. Maybe that is included in Ubuntu's own, security center, which requires Ubuntu Pro. Yeah, okay. I'm getting that free on my Manjaro. So yeah, I believe that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments what do you think about this new amazing update of Ubuntu. To be honest, they are actually moving in the right direction. And yep, for the thumbnail, I'd like to, grab a quick screenshot quickly. Let me just do it. I'm going to increase the scale to 150 or something. Yep. Okay, it's too much. 125 it is. Apply. Keep changes. Come on, man. Not that bad. Okay, let me just fix that quickly. Let me just go to Ubuntu desktop and I'm going to reduce the icon size a little, make it look proper, and then fix that as well. Yep. Now it is just perfect for, the thumbnail. So yep, I hope you have enjoyed the video and let me know in the comments what do you think about this new update, and we're gonna meet in the next video. And if you have any idea for the next video, let me know in the comments. Thank you.